Hey everybody, another quick tip video for you today, and in this video we are going to be swapping out the diff fluid in my 85Z. So I have the CAS Super Q and it's just time to change the fluid out, so I'm going to put the exact same stuff in. What you're going to need is a drain bucket to get the old stuff out. The fill and the drain plug are going to use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. You'll need a pump to get the new fluid in, and then just some rags, gloves and brake clean to clean up afterwards. So I already got the car off the ground. What you want to make sure of is that the front and the rear are both equal. So I have one block under the rear, one block under the front. So that's going to make the car nice and level, because the fill plug is actually going to be your overflow. So once it starts spilling over, that's when you know you have enough fluid. So I'm going to get under the car now, and then we can start draining the old stuff out. So under the car we have the drain plug right here, and the fill plug is just on the side. If you have a non-turbo model or a diff that's not an LSD from factory, you're going to have both of them just on the back of the case here. But quick tip, before you drain the fluid out, you always want to crack the fill plug first. That way if you drain all your fluid out and then this gets seized for whatever reason, you're not stranded with no fluid in your diff. So I'm going to go ahead and crack that loose, then we can drain the old fluid out and get the new stuff in. So just finished filling up the diff. I have both the drain and the fill plug torqued down. If this is your first time doing this job, don't sweat it too much. It's fairly straightforward. Again, you just want to make sure that you loosen the fill plug first, and you want to make sure that the car is on a nice straight surface, and you lift both the front and the rear of the car. For people with stock diffs, you can use the Redline Gear Oil, very popular choice. That's what I was running before I had the CAS diff. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.